gentlemen, I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. If you missed yesterday's video, some crazy things happened. We finally took delivery of the Z4 with the all-new wrap on it, and guess what? It matches the Lamborghini. I also got my brakes on the E63 looked at, and we took off the front plate only to reveal a couple of leftover holes. So Mark at Avant-Garde Exotics was like, what if you filled those holes with whistles? Now I thought, let's kick things up a notch. I've seen Cletus McFarland's whistles out of the back of his Corvette. Personal friend of mine, awesome video, so shout out partially for the idea there. I think we're gonna deck out this Lamborghini Huracan in some kazoos, shall we? See, not only does this rear wing provide good downforce, but it also seems like a perfect mounting point for a whole bunch of party whistles and kazoos. These two cars next to each other, I freaking love it. Let's take the E63 to Walmart and get some supplies. Searching all over, I could not find any kazoos. What is up with that? Instead, we've got a whole bunch of party horns. Check this out. All different sizes. Some of them have confetti attached to them, huge blowers, and then we've got some giant balloons to attach to the tailpipes as well. And of course, in green. Now, to first test this out, I think we're gonna do it on the Z4 because the exhaust tips are the smallest, so it should be the easiest to complete. Then we will move on to the Lamborghini. See, the tips on the Lambo are gonna be difficult because they're actually recessed. All right, first we're gonna attach these massive balloons to the exhaust tips to see how big they can get. All right, the new exhaust system is set up. Well, the first one exploded. That was pretty funny. It is time for the horns. We got a variety of different shapes and sizes. We have these huge ones. What? Yeah, I just realized that's because there was two. If any of my engineering professors from University of Michigan are watching this video right now, I am so sorry, but here's my creation. As you can see, we've got the Vehicle Virgins party horn exhaust. Let's see if it works. Exhaust GoPro setup, let's see what it's like on the road. One of the funniest things I have ever seen. It looks like, though, one of my exhausts flew off. That's less than ideal. The Z4 was an awesome test subject. Now it's time to try it on the Lamborghini. This is definitely gonna be a heck of a lot harder, especially because there's 4 tips, but let's see what we can do. All right, exhaust tip number 1 complete. Let's go ahead and see if this will cram in there. Boom. All right, so here is the final setup with all of the horns in the exhaust tips. Odds this works, probably pretty low, but I didn't think it was gonna work on the Z4 either, so let's see. Well guys, as you can see, the exhaust system didn't work on the Lamborghini. My neighbor just yelled at me, so that means we're gonna try this about 20 more times. Just kidding, probably gonna call it quits. But I'm super stoked that the Z4 watch. If you're not subscribed already, smash that subscribe button for some more epic content. I look forward to seeing you next video.